Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Flutter and Dart plugins are active in Android Studio and your device or emulator is connected. Once done, run the app in debug mode so inspector hooks are available. Now open the Flutter Inspector from Tools, then Flutter Inspector. This launches the panel. The reason we do this first is to attach the inspector to a live widget tree. Without debug mode, you cannot inspect layout or repaint boundaries. Once the inspector is open, enable Select Widget Mode to tap widgets on the emulator or device. This highlights the corresponding node in the tree. Then expand widget nodes to examine constructor properties, state, and render object metrics. This explains why spacing or constraints behave as they do. Make sure to use layout toggles like Repaint Rainbow and show baselines to visualize paints and alignment. Also, use the search box to quickly find widgets by type or key when trees get large. Now wrap up by using the profiler controls. Widget rebuild counts and the timeline reveal performance hotspots and unnecessary rebuilds. You can open dev tools from the inspector to access memory, CPU, and network panels for deeper analysis. If you need layout precision, switch to Show Render Tree to see render boxes and constraints. If the inspector fails to connect, restart Android Studio, reconnect the device, or run Flutter Clean and rebuild. This resolves most stale connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.